Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable auto power off for LG TV. First of all, hold down the gear button on your remote control to open all settings menu, or you can navigate to the gear icon on your home screen, select it, then select the gear icon once again, and then you will be in all settings menu. Now navigate to the general section, open it, and then navigate all the way down to the energy saving menu. In energy saving, select auto power off, and to disable this feature just select off, then yes, and this way you will disable the auto power off on your TV. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.